Ever wondered how to manage your finances with QuickBooks? Welcome to the world of QuickBooks, the go-to accounting software for small businesses. This powerful tool does more than just crunch numbers. It manages your sales and expenses, keeps tabs on daily transactions, and even takes the stress out of bill payments. Imagine having all your financial data organized, accessible, and ready for action at your fingertips. That's the power of QuickBooks. Mastering QuickBooks can be a game changer for your business. Setting up your QuickBooks account is the first step towards financial organization. You'll begin by visiting the QuickBooks website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Here you'll enter some basic information about yourself and your business, such as your name, email address, and business type. Remember, accuracy is key at this stage, as this information helps QuickBooks tailor its services to your specific needs. Next, you'll need to link your bank accounts and credit cards to QuickBooks. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, by linking these accounts, QuickBooks can effectively track all your financial transactions, giving you a comprehensive view of your business's finances at a glance. To do this, navigate to the Banking tab and follow the prompts to link your accounts. Don't worry, QuickBooks uses advanced security measures to ensure your data is safe. With your account set up, you're ready to start managing your finances. QuickBooks Dashboard is your command center for managing your business finances. It's designed to give you a quick and comprehensive overview of your business's financial health. Let's start with the Income section. This is where you can track all the revenue your business is generating. It's a real-time snapshot of what's coming in, helping you keep a pulse on your earnings. Next, we have the Expenses section. This area is all about tracking your outgoings. From office supplies to employee salaries, it's all captured here. Then there's the Profit and Loss section. This is where you can see your income minus your expenses. It's a quick way to measure your business's profitability over a specific period. And finally, the Sales section. This area gives you a breakdown of your sales data, showing you what's selling and what's not. The dashboard gives you a clear and concise overview of your financial situation. Recording transactions accurately is crucial in QuickBooks. It's the backbone of your financial management, and it's easier than you might think. Let's dive into it, shall we? First, let's talk about how to record a transaction. You'll find the New Transaction button, usually at the top right corner. Clicking on it opens a drop-down menu where you can select the type of transaction you want to record. It could be an expense, income, or even a transfer. Now, selecting the correct category for each transaction is vital. It's like telling QuickBooks where this money is coming from or going to. For instance, if you're recording a payment received from a client, you'd categorize it as income. If you're paying for office supplies, that goes under expenses. Easy, right? But what if a transaction has multiple categories? That's when you split transactions. Say you made a bulk purchase of office supplies and snacks for staff. You'd record the total amount, then split it into office expenses and employee benefits. Finally, at the end of the month, you'll want to reconcile your accounts. This is like cross-checking your QuickBooks records with your actual bank statements. It's a way to make sure everything adds up and there aren't any discrepancies. Remember, recording transactions correctly ensures your financial records are accurate and up to date. So take the time to get it right, and you'll have a clear picture of your business finances at all times. QuickBooks reporting feature allows you to analyze your business's financial performance. This is where the magic happens, folks. Picture a treasure trove of reports at your fingertips, ready to provide insights into your business's financial health. There are various types of reports you can generate, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Let's start with profit and loss statements. These can help you understand your company's profitability over a specific period. Balance sheets, on the other hand, give an overview of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. And then we have cash flow statements, which track the flow of cash in and out of your business. Each of these reports provides valuable insights that can help guide your business decisions. They can reveal trends, highlight opportunities, and even identify potential issues before they become significant problems. With QuickBooks, Managing your finances is just a few clicks away.